Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Today with Tino, and of course I am Tino. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. There has been a lot of questions as to what exactly I have done with my craft room or my sewing space. So what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to show you around and just let me know and give me some suggestions of what it is that I can do to spice things up. This is the space that I come to so that I can get some work done and work on my crafts and sewing and all that stuff. Some of you may know and some of you may not know that I have like a sewing business, and I also sell fabric, and I also do decorating using balloons and paper flowers and stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you around so that you can see my workspace. If you haven't checked out my previous video on how I did the extreme makeover for my craft room, then make sure that you check out the video. I'm not sure whether it's here or it's there, but I have included the link to the video, so please do check it out. It might inspire you, it might not, it might just be something fun to look at. If you're new to this channel, great, you have made like the perfect decision to click on one of my videos. But hey, you do not want to miss any other videos, so make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell, and make sure you get to watch every single video that I'm going to be posting. PS, please note that it's not going to be as neat or whatever. I'm just going to be showing you as it is. But I'm also not going to show you, I'm not going to show you a certain section, which I will reveal the reason why later. There is like some renovations and stuff going on at my neighbor's house. So if there's going to be like some crazy noise, excuse me, I'm sorry, I cannot film this any other day. I have been putting this off for a very, very long time. So it's either now or never, right? Okay, so basically this is like my space. Like when you walk in, right? Some people actually think it's big, but it's not. It's like a 3 by 3 meters, which is like what? I know that. Okay, if my math is acting up, but I know, I think maybe that should be maybe 10 by 10 feet. Yeah, 10 by 10 foot or 10 by 10 feet, whatever. So basically, this is like from the door. Yeah, I'm literally wearing chilled clothing. So I got myself this mirror, right? I got myself this mirror. It ended up being shorter than I thought. I bought it like at the street corner. I got it at the street corner. It's like maybe about 1.4 meters high. So what I did, okay, oh yeah, this mic is acting up. Anyways, so what I did was I put those, I had to use like my Monopoly box and one of some fridge trays to organize my stuff in there, so that I can like elevate it a little bit, so that if someone is standing here, then they can like see their cute outfit and stuff. So basically there's the mirror, right? My black mirror, which I totally love and I use like all the time. And then in here, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you, but basically like I keep some of my thread right here. So I've got like the lilac, black, white, but the white one I ended up putting like one that's not opened, because I get to accumulate some dust here. So yeah, and then in this box I have some supplies. So for me to show you, I will need to remove the mirror, right? So basically in there I keep my glue stuff. I think I've got like 2 iron boxes. Like I've got that one, and then I've got one like right there at the back. Yeah, right there at the back. So I think I will show you when I put this down, but I think let me actually show you now. Hey, okay, so yeah, I managed to move it. And then in the box, like what I was saying is that I've got like some stuff that I was working on, some scrunchies and stuff. I just kind of put them in there because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. So in here I've got like some extra thread and some tailor's chalk, fancy scissors. Yeah, this like is for zigzag, but it's mainly for paper. Yeah, and then I've got some double-sided tape as well. So like this box is like literally not even organized. Yeah, and then I also have some of my craft paper which I use. So this like silver, you can't really see the color, but it's like silver. And then I also have some gold, so that is like some 30 cent, some A4 paper. So here I've got some artwork. The glass is like broken, as you can see. It's broken, so I just took this from my mom, and I just decided to put it in here so that it can like add some ambience. And then this, I don't know what this is. You see that? I don't know what that is. Someone put it in here. I think it's my husband. I don't know. So I just decided to put that artwork thing on top. It's like 3D, so it's like pretty cool. Like it's a guitar and stuff. So I just put it up there. Yeah, that noise has started again. So I'd put the mirror here. So now I have to put it. Whew. Yeah. And then this is like one of like my most favorite areas that I have. So basically this is where I keep all my fabric. In my previous video, someone was saying that I should be careful so that the fabric doesn't get some sunlight on it and then it fades. So fortunately, yeah, I know it's bright in this video, but it's because it's bright outside. But yeah, basically this it, so the sun doesn't directly reflect or get into this room through that window, so my fabric is like perfectly safe. So I try to like color coordinate, but as you know, fabric is like, it's so colorful and it has like different colors. So I decided to put some blue fabric here, and then there I just like put multicolored ones, and then there black with some details, and then here I put like orange and yellow fabrics, and then there I put like black and white initially. But because I don't have a lot of black and white, as you can see, like I just decided to just put the rest. So this is the fabric that I sell, y'all. Yeah, so I got this. I stole this from my mom. I'm always stealing stuff, but anyways, I got this. So it had like a wig on it, but I decided to put like a head wrap on it, so I don't change this much, but I think eventually I'm going to start doing that. Yeah, and then this ladder, what is it called, like a ladder shelf. This ladder shelf, initially I had gotten it for a job that I had done, and then when I finished that job, I decided to put it here and put some fabric, and I got it made, like tailor-made. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to, but I'm glad it came out the way it did because I get to use it and it's very cute. So on top here, this is where I keep some of my fabric. I got this from my cousin, Chimmy Accessories. So basically it's where I'm supposed to be keeping earrings and stuff, but I saw that it had better use, which is like to keep my fabric. So I've got the different, sorry, not fabric, thread. So I've got like pink, black, maroon, turquoise, blue, yellow, and green. So it just kind of cute there when they're the different colors. I'm sorry, like, I think it's because of the sunlight. Yeah, there it is. There's the side view. And then when you go down here, I made this video on how to organize your scraps, your that's a tongue twister, your scrap fabric. So I've been keeping my scrap fabric in here in this basket. And then over there I've got like 2 gift bags that this is where I package my outfits that I make. But this time around I put some cushion covers that I got made like a very, very long time ago. So there's my packaging, and then in here there's also some scrap fabric that I have. Yeah. And then okay, let me just put that in there. Whew, yeah. And then in there I've got like you see right there at the back, like right there at the back, there's my turf grass, like you see, like right there. There's my turf grass, which I only take out when I am using it for my deco stuff. So as I was saying, in this gray basket I've got some more scrap fabric, and then I have some decorated bottles that I use when I have some deco stuff that I'm doing. And then right here I've got this pack which I keep some earrings that I made. Yeah, I really love this collection, but definitely I'm going to make some more this year. I've just hadn't had time to make some more, but I have to create time now. And then this is a pack of like needles that I bought, so it's not opened. And then, oh my goodness, right there at the back, I've got like this is where I keep this box. This is where I keep my elastic tape, my double-sided tape, and stuff. So basically all tapes. And then in that box right there at the back, that is where I keep my glue, my fabric glues, my craft glues, my scissors, and all that.